Hello everybody, thank you so much for pressing play on my video today. My name is Charlene Luciano from stampwithshar.com and I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator here in the US. I've got a super cute project to share with you today. It's these adorable little boxes, and when you open it, I have 2 tea lights in here and a package of matches. Now the matches I just went and got at the gas station, but this also can fit bubble gum. It can fit 2 of these bubble gums. It can fit a small little chocolate, so you don't have to use tea lights. You can pretty much put anything in here. And I just finished it off with a belly band because I didn't like the way the flaps sat on the side. It would drive me crazy, so I just finished it off with a little belly band. That way the flaps are not sticking out on the side. So I'm going to show you how we create today's project. The designer series paper I'm using today is 6x6, and this is the Garden Impression designer series paper. I have a 1/2 inch strip, and this is a 1/2 inch by 8.5 inch. And we need to do some scoring. So I have my Stampin' Trimmer, and we are going to score this. Now I will have a detailed description with measurements over on my website at www.stampwithshar.com. So if you missed anything, everything will be there. So we're going to score this at 1.5. We're going to score this at 2 1/4. We're going to score this at 3 3/4. We're going to score this at 4 1/2. Then we're going to rotate this, and we're going to score this at 1 1/2. And we're going to score this at 4 1/2. Okay. So I have my paper snips, and what I'm going to do now on each side, I'm going to cut up stopping at the horizontal score mark. Now it's hard to see, but you've got these 3 larger squares, and then you've got the 2 smaller rectangle pieces. So what we're going to do now is on these 3 big tabs, we are going to grab our ruler, grab a pencil, and from this score line here, from the score line that you made down here, from that score line, you're going to measure across 3/4 of an inch. Let me just see, where's my score line? I don't want to put my head in the camera. So from that score line, you're going to measure 3/4, and then you're going to take your ruler, making sure you're straight. And then on all those 3 big tabs, you're going to draw your ruler mark. Now it's hard for me because I'm trying not to get my head in the way. So right now what you've done is you've drawn 3 lines on these 3 big tabs. And then that's just going to help you so you can cut it straight. You're just going to go ahead and cut these tabs down. And you're going to repeat this on the opposite side. This you can use on a different project. You can throw it away. We're now going to fold and burnish all our score lines. And then what you want to do is on all these tabs that you've just cut away, you are now going to add some tear and tape. Now when removing the backing, I start with the center 2 So what I do is I remove this center part. And then I fold so this rectangle piece goes on the inside. I took a 3/4 inch circle punch and just notched the top like so. I notched the wrong one. Oops, not a big deal. Okay, then you're going to fold this down, fold that over. And then this is going to fold up. And that is your little box. Now you can leave it that way, but again, I didn't like the way it flapped on the side, so that's how come I added a little belly band. And again, I just went ahead, wrapped this around, and then added my adhesive. Now these are great. You can do these for Christmas stocking stuffers. You can put a little chocolate in there or something. You can do these for little thank you favors, craft fair ideas. And then I finished it off with a little tag on the side. And the stamp set that I used is A Good Day. I used this thank you so much. And what I did was I covered this little leaf part with some sticky tape, this stuff, Scotch tape, so, and then I just removed it and then stamped the thank you. And yeah, that is all there is to it. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a thumbs up. Consider subscribing to my channel. That way you don't miss my next video. If you're in the US and you're interested in any of these products that I used in today's video, I will have them linked down in the description below. I will also have a written detailed description with measurements over on my website at www.stampwithshar.com. I do post projects every week there to inspire you, so I hope you'll head on over to my website. I do love hearing from everybody. Leave me some comments. Let me know your thoughts. Thank you so much for watching today's video, and I hope to see you back here on Friday. Have a wonderful day. Take care.